episode, and this is the third one. Time to grab the third box. So many third. Let's put the boxes away. Grab the scissors. Be careful because you might just cut off one of your fingers, but don't actually do that. You should ask an adult if you want to do this. Wait a minute. So, these are the instructions, but I will never forget that. Yes, I finally saw it. Okay, this is the instructions. These are the last steps. Let's get to building. Open the bags. I need the scissors. How convenient is that? Let's put away the scissors. Put my finger in the bag. Done, guys. This is the results. Now let's get to the point where it will take so very long. The stickers. Our Earthbreaker Ankylosaurus. And just for a recap, these are the 3 dinosaurs that we made in these 3 episodes. And once again, this is the Flame Red T-Rex. And this is the Forest Green Horned Dinosaur. And finally, the third one. The one that we finished today with your guys' help. The Earthbreaker Ankylosaurus. And that's it for these 3 episodes. See you on the next 4 episodes. Bye!